How to fix the game fail to load error on your Sims 4. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are trying to launch the Sims 4 but getting the error code 102 in the similar manner that is shown on the screen, it could be because of various reasons. So let's try 5 such methods that can help or resolve this issue. To get started with, you need to delete all of your broken modes. For that, first of all, back up your EA folder. Open this PC and then navigate to the documents. Now right click on Electronic Arts folder and copy it and paste it to the safe location on your PC on an external drive. After that, you need to delete the script modes. For this, open the Electronic Arts folder and then the Sims 4 folder. Open the modes folder, look at TS4 script files and delete them. Use the source box to ensure all the remnants of the script modes are deleted. Likewise, go to the back on the Sims 4 folder and delete the local thumbcache.package file. Delete options.ini file and then delete gameversion.txt. Once this is done, let's move on to the method 2. For this, you have to verify the game files. For this, you have to open the Steam on your Windows and then go to the Steam library. Right click on Sims 4, select Properties and go to Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait until the process is completed. Third method would be saving as new household. For this, you have to create a new save slot. After you have played the household, click on the 3 dots menu on the top right corner, select Save As instead of Save To and create a new save slot for your Sims family. If this does not work, you have to reset the game. For this, rename your EA folder. Right click on EA folder, select Show More options and choose Rename. Now copy important files to the new folder. Make sure to copy saves, trays and screenshots folders to the corresponding location in the new folder. Do not copy any script modes to the new folder. Now for the last method, you might have to reinstall the game. Press in Windows plus R and then tap in appwiz.cpl. Now search for Sims 4, right click on it and uninstall. This way, you should be able to fix the issue. If it does not, make sure to restart the computer once. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.